Hey everyone, I'm Dhanwant, and today I'm going to tell you how to get extra views on your YouTube videos using YouTube's test and compare feature. This tool is going to help you optimize your content like a pro. Intrigued? Stick around and let's break it down together. So what exactly is YouTube's test and compare feature? Simply put, it's like having a built-in experimenter for your videos. It allows you to test different versions of your thumbnails, titles, and even descriptions to see which one resonates more with your audience. Think of it as A/B testing, but for video content. You can compare multiple options and see which drives more clicks, better engagement, and ultimately more views. But why does this matter? Well, first impressions are everything. Your thumbnail and title are often the first thing people see. If they're not grabbing attention, you're losing potential views. This feature gives you hard data to back up what works and what doesn't. So you can always be optimizing. And the best part, you don't need to guess anymore. You can now know what gets people clicking. Alright, enough talking. Let's jump into how you can actually use this feature. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Head over to your YouTube studio and find the video you want to experiment with. Step 2. Click on the edit button and look for the test and compare option. Step 3. Upload your alternate thumbnails, titles, or descriptions. You can choose how long you want the test to run, and boom! YouTube will automatically split the audience to show the different versions. Once your test is complete, YouTube will give you a detailed breakdown of which version performed better. You'll see click-through rates, watch time, and engagement data, all laid out to help you make the best decision. So now, you're not just relying on your gut, you've got data backing you up. That's how you get those extra views and grow your channel smarter. If you're serious about improving your channel, the test and compare feature is a game changer. So give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you, and of course, subscribe for more tips to boost your YouTube success. Catch you in the next one.